What causes sticky skin in people with CF? Imagine a tiny factory inside your body that helps control the salt and water balance in your skin and organs. In people with cystic fibrosis, this factory doesn't work quite right. The main issue comes from a gene called the CFTR gene. When this gene has a mutation, it produces a faulty protein that acts as a channel for chloride ions, which are salt particles. Normally, these chloride ions move out of sweat gland cells, and water follows them. This process keeps sweat thin, watery, and easy to sweat out. But in cystic fibrosis, the defective CFTR protein can't let chloride ions escape properly. Because the chloride gets stuck inside the sweat gland cells, water doesn't follow. This causes the sweat to become thick, salty, and sticky on the skin's surface. That's why people with CF often have sweat that feels much stickier and saltier than normal. Sometimes, this stickiness is so noticeable that the skin tastes salty when kissed or touched lightly. This abnormal sweat isn't just a skin issue. It's part of a bigger pattern in cystic fibrosis where secretions in many parts of the body become thick and sticky. For example, mucus in the lungs and digestive fluids can also become thick because of the same problem with ion and water transport. The faulty CFTR protein affects the epithelial cells that line sweat glands, lungs, and other organs, leading to the widespread symptoms of CF. So, in simple terms, sticky skin in people with cystic fibrosis is caused by the mutation in the CFTR gene. This mutation creates a defective chloride channel, which prevents chloride ions from leaving sweat gland cells properly. Without chloride and water moving out as they should, the sweat becomes thick, salty, and sticky. This is a clear sign of how CF impacts the body's ability to regulate salt and water, especially in the sweat glands. If you or someone you know has CF, it's important to remember that this condition varies from person to person. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment options.